So, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you print faceplate labels using the PT-E560BT. So, what you'll need to do is come down here to the hotkeys and hit faceplate. Now, it's important to measure the DESI window of the faceplate, and at that particular point, you can put in how long you want the label to be. Number of blocks, how many ports are we doing? Is it going to be a single port? Is it going to be a 2-gang? Is it going to be a 4-gang? A lot of the faceplates out there are 2-port. Very easy to do. You can see the orientation down here, which, if you wish, you can change to either vertical or horizontal. So in this case, I'm going to keep it horizontal. Press the OK button. Again, you get a blank screen, and we're going to serialize this job. So I'll put in my first identifier, which is A01-01. You want to hit the serialize button because you don't want to hand type every single label. You want the machine to do the work for you. So hit the serialize button. Then I'm going to left arrow over to the left hand side of the 0 and press OK. I'm going to right arrow to highlight the 1 and press OK again. Now it's going to ask me how many faceplates do I want to do. In this case, let's just do 24. Hit the OK button. There's also a preview here of what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and print a few. When we go to print, it's going to give a few options. All, which is the entire job you just built, current, which is what's on the screen, or a specific range. In this case, we'll select range. Press the OK button, and let's just do 4, then hit print. Importantly, you can see the half-cut feature is in use here, which means that if you're running around the floor, you can take the entire strip of labels with you and peel and stick, so you're not searching around for individual labels or losing them. It's just ready to go sequentially. So here's your strip. You can see the perforated cut right here. So what I'll do is I'll peel the first label, and there's your 2-port faceplate. Here's the rest of the job right here. The half-cut feature is a real time saver on site, and that's the faceplate function, as simple as that.